A very happy morning to all my dear children. I hope you enjoyed your Diwali vacations a lot. Yes, you burnt crackers a lot. So today we are going to start our classes. Okay, we are going to move to our next chapter in your computer subject. That is Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. So are you all ready? Open your textbook and open page number 70 of your textbook. Okay? Refer the textbook while watching this video. Come on, let's see today what we have. First of all, we will see the introduction. Presentation means communicating an idea or message effectively to the masses. प्रेजेंटेशन मतलब क्या होता है? कम्युनिकेट करना, मीन्स बताना, कोई आइडिया में देना या कोई मैसेज देना टू द पीपल. टू कम्युनिकेट द कॉमन मैसेज टू मेनी पीपल साइमल्टेनियसली वी यूज डिफरेंट प्रेजेंटेशन मोड्स लाइक ऑडियो विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन और टेक्स्ट बेस्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. अब हमको एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे लोगों को अगर कुछ भी मैसेज देना हो, so we can use the presentations like audio and visual. Okay, clear? An effective presentation can help us in conveying the message in crisp and clear manner. अगर हमारी presentation एकदम effective होगी, अगर अच्छी होगी, so we can pass the message, we can convey the message in a very clear manner. Okay, dear children, I hope you understood the introduction. Okay, moving on. How to start PowerPoint 2016? Now, first of all, PowerPoint 2016 is a presentation software used to create computer-based presentation. क्या है कि एक presentation software है. With the help of the computer, we can make different presentations. Okay, now. For example, I am using the presentation. Okay, I have made the whole presentation in PowerPoint 2016 and then I am conveying a message. मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. So, if अगर मेरी presentation आपको attractive लग रही है, so you will focus on your studies. Yes? Next. PowerPoint presentation is a systematic representation of information using text, pictures, audio, video, etc. Now, एक systematic representation है जिसमें हम ये सब डाल सकते हैं. A slide can be considered as the individual page of the presentation. You have to remember this. A slide can be considered as an individual page of the presentation. Now, how you will start your PowerPoint presentation 2016? See, suppose this is your desktop. Okay, when you're turning on your computer, when you're turning on your laptop, this is your desktop. Now, in this desktop, okay, here is the Windows button. Here you will type the search. Here we will search PowerPoint. See. By this you can open your PowerPoint presentation software. Is it clear to you? In my laptop I am currently working on this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so we will not open it again. Now moving on to next. What are the parts of PowerPoint 2016 window? The first one, we will see both the practical as well as theory. Quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It helps us to do common tasks with just a click. Next, title bar. It appears on the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. It also contains minimize, maximize and close button. Quick access toolbar is present on it. First of all, we will see these two toolbars. Okay, dear children, this is a quick access toolbar. See where my cursor is moving. This is the quick access toolbar. This is the title bar where it is written Computer Chapter 5 Microsoft PowerPoint. This area is known as the title bar. Here are the minimize, maximize and the close buttons. Is it clear to you? Yes? Moving on to next, ribbon. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and group. Remember this, okay? Ribbon contains two parts, that are tabs and groups. Underline in your textbook while watching the video, okay? Each tab contains command arranged in different groups. Now इसमें different groups में जो tabs arranged है, it contains in it. The next one is the file tab. This tab gives access to the file related options like new, open, save as, print, etc. Next, status bar. It displays the current slide number, total number of slides and the view button. First of all, we will see these three. Dear children, this is your ribbon, okay? Here it displays, this area is known as ribbon. Here it displays the tabs and the groups. See, we are having different tabs, slides, font, paragraph, groups, drawing group, different tabs and different groups we are having. This area is known as ribbon and this is known as the file tab. Here we can have new, open, save, all these options we are having in the file tab. Next is the status bar. It displays the current slide. Now this is known as the status bar. You are seeing my cursor, following my cursor. This area is known as status bar. Slide 23 of 25. See, currently I am working on slide number 23. So it displays the slide number. Clear to you? Okay. Next we are having rulers. Rulers are vertical and horizontal guides. You use them to determine where you want to place an object. Next is the dialog box launcher. It is an icon that appears in some groups at the bottom right corner. On clicking it, a dialog box opens that provides more commands related to the group. What is dialog box launcher? See here on the right. Yes, on the right side corner. This is known as a small icon is known as the dialog box launcher. See here, clipboard. Yes, it opens the different, as we are not currently working on this. See, if we are using this, as you can see, we can have the clipboard options with the help of this dialog box launcher. Is it clear to you? Yes. Next, we are having the slide navigation pane. The slide navigation pane allows you to view all the slides in the presentation. The selected slides will appear in the slide pane or to the right. You can add or duplicate or rearrange the slide. Now, this area is known as a slide navigation pane. This slide will be presented here and here it will be highlighted. Is it clear to you, dear children? Yes. Next, what we are having? Slide pane. A slide pane represents a page in a presentation. A slide is displayed at the center of the presentation window. You can view or edit the slide in the slide pane. Now, this whole area is known as slide pane. क्या बोलते हैं हम इस area को? Slide pane. From here we can view or edit the slide as well. This area here, from here we can edit the slide as well. Is it clear to you, dear children? Yes. Moving on to next. Placeholder. It is a dotted rectangular box on the slide where you can place text, images, etc. Notes. This area is used to add your notes to the current slide, also known as speaker notes. Now, dear children, in our slide, we can add the notes as well as we can add the comments. A reviewer can also leave the comment on any of the slide. For adding the comments, we have to click the comments. Okay, we will see this as well. First of all, what is a placeholder? See, dear children, as you can see the line here, this area is known as a placeholder, the dotted rectangular box. Why it is not now dotted rectangular box? Because I have already added the text here. See, if I am adding a new slide, you can see a dotted rectangular box here also as well as here also. This area is known as a placeholder where we can add text or audios or videos, any of these. Clear? Notes. Here we can add the notes as well. See, you are seeing the cursor here, you can add any of the notes. Okay, suppose the slide is very good, you can add, or you want to add, refer your page number 71 of your textbook. See, if I want to add here a note, I can add a note like this in my slides. Next are the view buttons. Now, what are the view buttons? We are having the 4 view buttons: normal, slide sorter, reading view and slide show buttons. Dear children, these are the view buttons. See, as you can all see here, this is a normal, then slide sorter, this is a reading view, and the last one is a slide show. Clear? This is the default view. This is the default view. The normal view is the default view. The next one is the zoom control. Yes, we can zoom in and zoom out. See, you can also see the changes here. If I am using the zoom out option, see, you can see it very clearly. If I am using zoom in, there is a smaller image. Okay, if we are using the zoom out and zoom in. Understood it very clearly? Now the scroll bars. There are 2 scroll bars in our PowerPoint window. You have already studied in Word also. Okay, Word में भी हमने scroll bars पढ़े हैं. In the same way, in the PowerPoint also there are 2 scroll bars, the vertical and as well as the horizontal. These 2 are known as the scroll bars. Here I am not having the horizontal scroll bar because I am not having the text beyond this window. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा मेरे पास कुछ text नहीं है, कुछ content नहीं है. Okay, so I am not having a scroll bar displayed here like this. Is it clear to you? But here we are having the scroll bar. See, okay, here we are having the scroll bar. Is it clear to you, dear children? I hope you understood it very well, how to start the PowerPoint presentation and what are the parts of it. Yes. A small action time for you all, dear children. It is there in your textbook on page number 72. You have to do it now itself while watching the video. Okay. Dash displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. मैम ने अभी आपको बताया था पहले क्या था वो? Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the presentation. I hope you remember it. मैम ने आपको दिखाया था Computer Chapter 5. Yes. Clear? The next, an individual page in the PowerPoint presentation is called. एक कोई भी page को हम PowerPoint में क्या बोलते हैं? It is known as a slide. It is known as slide. Okay? Understood the first 2? Got the answers? Now the 3rd, 4th and 5th, you will do it on your own after watching this video and reading the 2 pages of your textbook. Okay? I hope you remember it. I hope you do it very well. We will meet next time with something new in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.